Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. After releasing, you've got the recents. So all you have to do to close all of them is to tap on this X button right here. Did I miss that? Yes. X button. We just got back to the home page, so we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps, or actually all running apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.